You can see guys here, there are these two kids, they are enjoying the swimming pool. Baby Karya, say hi. 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 Isha. Baby Isha. Dada. Dada. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are here in Philippines now. Today I am going to show you guys, we have a swimming pool for our baby. So today we are going to open this and we will show you how our daughter is enjoying this pool today. And this is the long time ago we bought this pool, and today we are going to open that. So this is a good time for that. So we will open that and we will see how she will enjoy this today. And now also I will show you how to do this one at home. Okay, we will go and open this one. And also they give also the air pump also. So this is the one we want to make the air pump this one. Okay, we will try to open this all. Okay, let's go.
Wow.
Yes, Isha. We already enjoy. Wow, so this is the some food. So we will keep later, we will check if we don't know how to use this one. Okay, then we will check later. You can see guys here many stone here. So this is the reason why I put the carton here. Okay, let's see. Right. Is this big? No?
Big.
Very big.
Oh, I can go inside also.
Wow! So big.
I can go inside. Ah, this one enough. This one.
Yes, I think I will open this one first. Again, the pump also here. So we bought a long time this one. So today we are going to try this one. Yes. Okay. I will keep this one here. We'll see. I need to do like this, no? Yes. Whoa!
Where is the hole?
This is the hole here.
Yeah.
So I need to do like this, nah?
I think so.
Or I need to do no. This is the way, no?
For a while. I think that's the cover of it.
No. Let me check the air.
Look at this, oh.
Yeah.
Look at the hole. Look at the hole. If you will.
No, this is the one need to insert.
Then you will insert, yeah.
Yeah, this is the hole. Okay. I think we are correct now.
Insert.
Yeah.
This one.
Yes, it's already gone.
Okay.
So,
No. Insert this one. The hose will coming out the water there.
yes.
Like
Again we need to do like this, no? Yes, you are correct. Yes,
so
you are perfect.
So
Perfect. Then
okay.
I need to do like this.
Na kay nani mura hoy pon. Igo sad maigo ka mabayo opon. Hoy pon na nimo bayo o kay resulta nimo.
We'll see. What happened?
Simple.
No? Or I will try another one.
For a while, no.
Yeah, this is the.
No, wait.
This is two size. This is the big one. This is a small one. So I will try
For
this.
a while, you try to
I will try
open
to
a
do.
bit because the air cannot go in.
Okay, I already opened
Try
that
to.
one. Yeah, I will insert the small one. Hi.
Pwedeng wa nimo, no? Pwedeng wa gyud nimo. Luod kay ka, nagsuka ka da. Wa, human diya sa imo sang gihian. Tugawa na gyud. Pero may ra bagid ko makadungugan niya.
Yeah, this is the correct one. There's a two size. So this is the big one, small one.
Bali din na
So
pagkakuan
we will use the
bomba.
small one.
Walang gigamit.
Ha?
Bali. Yang
What unsay bali?
bali ba diri sa nagkupot bisag diri.
Okay, I think now.
Kani
Yes, now.
For a while.
Now we are going. You see?
Okay.
Yeah.
Because we need to open na.
bali malanan.
Sura.
Actually, we use manually our power with the air pump, but we cannot handle this because we are taking so much breath, and that's the reason why we take this one, the mechanical shop, to input the air compressor. So it's very easy to do that. If you are doing it by hand, to manually you are pressing the air pump, it's very difficult. It will take 2-3 hours. So I'm very breathing. So that's the reason why I went the air pressure compressor shop. Then I make this one. Okay, just within 5 minutes it's finished. Then we will go there and we will refill the water. And let me see our daughter how she is enjoying. You can see, guys, here there are these two kids. They are enjoying the swimming pool. Baby Karya, say hi. 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 Isha. Baby Isha. Dada. Dada. Hello, Dada. Isha. Hi. Hi. Baby, go here. They are enjoying well here. Look at them. Wow. They are so happy now. Isha, she doesn't want to come out. When we started to fill the water here, Isha very happy. She don't want to come out. Isha, baby. She's wearing the full dress. Wow. Wow. Mahal. 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 Isha, do you like it? Do you like it? Baby, you like this? You're not full. Fill the water? Check there. Maybe it's already full. Wow. Baby, sit here. So they are enjoying so much here. Isha, come middle. Don't go bottom there, okay? Just come middle. Hey, come middle. You sit there, Pare. You sit there, huh? Wow. Just we are filling the water like this. We bring the water from our washroom, then I will put. Yes, I think enough. No, they can enjoy.
Oh.
Baby, sit. You also want to go inside?
No. No.
Carmi need to go inside. You need to go inside.
Oi.
Desi, you want to go inside? No. You go? Lisa, bring the iPhone also. Just we will take some picture, Isha. Wow. Hi guys.
Baby.
Check somewhere. Maybe here in the table. You want to go? No? Wow. Let's come here. You make some vlog. Adik.
I still have one pail for a while.
Yeah, okay. There's a dog also try to go here. Mama. Indai. Yeah. There she go inside.
Oh.
Baby. Wow, look at this. You want to sleep. Wow, enjoying. Very nice. Isha is very speechless. They're enjoying well here. Look at this. This is the way we are refill the water here. Come here. Just hold the camera. This is already recording. I'll take some picture, Isha. Isha! No go there.
Inday. Whoa! Hello, Inday. Enjoy?
So I will take some pictures. They both. Guys, come here.
Isha! Isha!
Baby. Come. Why these two baby not showing the face?
Day awa dari siki day. They like that.
Babies.
Go. Isha! Wah! Ni bata day, tanaw sad ba?
Tanaw diri lang. Tanaw dito re.
You say.
Hi, Inday, Isha. Wah, Inday. No, Inday,
No.
Tati Inday.
Sit.
Don't
Sit.
di tati ba aja banyak. Wah,
Baby.
Inday.
Isha.
She feel cold to me.
Nay, pen matay.
Go here. Go here. Middle.
Tanaw diri. No. No. Papa, I love you. No.
Isha, go there.
Inday.
She won't. Don't. Look at Isha. She is using the shampoo inside the pool. Baba. Whoa.
Natangkang ako.
I using shampoo inside the pool. Baby, also you want to use the shampoo?
Mana nagligo na? She already done shower.
Oh, okay, perfect. Baby? Dada.
We'll make fast habi now. She's trembling now.
She's trembling. Make it fast.
Day, come on, come. Get her towel lagi. Towel. There.
We will use the hot water also to little.
Yeah. Day, good tada ibaw. Bahi good day.
There she's enjoying now. Wow, she's.
Iliso agud gamay. Kana. Yan.
Wow, Isha. What happened, Isha?
Hatag na niya parang sa mapuyo.
She's saying, don't touch my things.
Oh, tutu. Bawoy.
Okay, I bring her towel also, no? Better I will bring her towel.
Wah, amet.
Nay, tabunan na yun.
Lagi ko kun. Wala. Naday na.
Tag-isya. Malakas na. Lah,
Ayaw.
kainom na nay, oy.
Kainom. Asa de kaila?
Kuna uli.
Asa de siya? Ano ato?
Lapo-lapo.
Punta?
Isha, it's enough. We will go and take shower.
Enough na. Okay guys. We need to strip her clothes na.
Yeah, I think it's enough. The water is almost very cold. See, her body is trembling. So we will take out and we will take a hot bath for her.
Yeah. Final bath.
Yes. She will go to the washroom and she will take a final hot bath. Her body is very trembling. I can see that. Because guys, the water is very cold. Okay, it's enough.
Enough. Dali na lang. Enough. Okay.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, my cameraman. Thank you for everyone. Say hi. Wow, wonderful girls. Hi, Desi. Mahal, let's go. Huh? Yes, done. Just take care.
I'll remove her clothes.
So it's enough for Isha. Look at them, they also enjoying here. The other kids are here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We show you how to use the pool at home manually. So guys, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button so you will get a notification when we are going to upload a new video, guys. I hope you guys you enjoyed well, and please share the video, and if you like, just give it a thumbs up and leave your comment. Okay, we are going to end this video. Bye bye. We will meet in the next video, and we'll be in Jenny's. Bye bye.